nature. Good afternoon, everyone. This is my daily vlog channel. My name is Steve. Some of you want to call me Steve-O. Some of my friends call me Steve-O. These are my kids. Say hi, kids. And they're busy doing other stuff. Anyways, just picked up the kids from school. Now we're gonna go take a little walk downtown in the little town that I live in. Maybe go get some tasty beer to bring home for later, for dinner tonight. But yeah, look at that beautiful nature at its best. It's a sunny day in Northern California. There's the sun. Don't look at it, you'll burn your eyes. Look at this beautiful babbling brook. I don't know why they call it a babbling brook. Maybe if you know why they call it a babbling brook, leave it in the comments below and like the video. I just don't hear it babbling. Babbling brook. Babble. I don't get it. This is the Danville Brewery. We got some pretty good stuff here. Like one day when I stop to eat here, I'll do a little vlog and we'll get going. But for now, I'm just picking up some beers. Here it is, right there. The Danville Brewery. Home to some of the finest beer in Danville. Can't wait to have some. Delicious. Oh, all right, man, it was hot out there, man. Let me tell you, it's like 90-something degrees, end of September. I am so ready for the cold weather to hit. Anyways, let's see what I got here, huh? My kitchen. All right. Get that one out. Oh! And I'll get this one out. And let's take a look-see. Whoa. Boom. Got me some beer. This one here is a 32-ounce growler of the La Ferme Saint-Jean. And this here is a 64-ounce of the Chuck's Double IPA. This is a 7.2%. This is like a Belgium ale kind of deal that they got going on. And then this is your classic Double IPA, 8%. Both taste fantastic. So I look forward to having some of those later on tonight. Oh, hey, buddy, I'm vlogging here. But I'm trying to do a video for YouTube. You're just kind of coming in here interrupting. Okay, you want chocolate milk? All right. Well, it looks like I gotta go get him some chocolate milk. So, because he's more important. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. And, all right. So, putting my kids to bed for nap time. And I came into the room to check to see what they were doing. And, well, my son decided he's going to take all his cars and line them up. The kid is 2 years old. Look, he's even got, in each little spot, he's got cars. Crazy, crazy. All right, little one, you ready for bed? Ready for a nap? I'm gonna put this one down. We'll see you guys later. Or nature. Well, palm tree. This is our wind chime we got from Adventureland, Disney. You need to stop tooting, because you stink. You saw Belle? You saw Belle on the TV?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we watching?
Legoland.
Legoland? But your booty stinks. You sure you don't need to go potty? Oh man. Can you help clean up your mess? Jeez Louise. I can't look. I can't put it on TV. It's YouTube. If I do it, then the guy from View from the Cheap Seats he's gonna get mad because we're putting his video on YouTube, on my YouTube. But we'll just say that we're watching View from the Cheap Seats, Legoland, and the daughter's liking it. Right, Zoe? What is she doing? Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
I don't see the boat. I didn't see any boat.
No boat?
No.
Just a tootie booty from you.
Hey, what was she doing? She was doing the same thing.
I know, she was just posing next to the little statue.
Where?
My God, they grow sausages on trees in Florida. This is the greatest place ever.
Alright.
That's on your knee.
Well, can you say bye?
Bye.
Well, time for some dinner. Gotta get the old grill started. Yeah. Who doesn't love some fire? Okay. We're gonna get that going, and then, yeah, you know, cooking up some hot dogs and some sausages. So it should be delicious. Got some freshly baked, like, hot dog roll bun things. They're amazing. And gonna pop open another beer for tonight. And so yeah. So we're gonna do that. And probably just hang out, maybe watch some American Horror Story Asylum, catch up on that. Because I want to watch the new season. So I've got that season, and then Hotel season, and then I can finally start watching this season. So that's kind of the show I'm on right now. Maybe watch some baseball. I don't know. Kind of a chill night. Big Brother's over. Gosh. Fan of that show. And, yeah, what else? MasterChef. Like cooking channel shows I like. Those are fun. Like cooking competitions. Always thought I could do that. Probably not. Survivor's probably on. There's a lady that lives across. There's a lady that lives across the apartment complex from us. She's on her patio right now. She's probably going like, "What the heck is this guy doing, talking to himself on his video?" Anyways, all right. I gotta go grab some hot dogs. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, that's right. Some bacon to go with the hot dogs. Sorry, I know our stove is super dirty, but cleaning night is tonight. Woohoo! All right. So as you can see, we're having some pork hot links from the grocery store. These are the Sags Bistro style. So we get these at the local grocery store called Lucky's. And then Amanda is having some classic turkey dogs, and she enjoys the Oscar Mayer turkey dogs. So, yeah, should be a good dinner. I'm gonna actually have 2 of these because I'm a little hungry. Oh, and then these are those rolls I was talking about. Make any day an occasion. Egg hot dog roll 8 count, $2.99. So this came from a store called Lenardi's. So they're more of an upper end kind of grocery store, supermarket. But some good stuff there. Alright guys, so it's time for another beer review. So I've had this one a few times. This is probably one of my favorites, an IPA. And this is Racer 5 from Bear Republic Brewing Company. From Healdsburg, California. So just up the coast, up in Northern California, kind of not like on the coast, but you know, inland, if you will. This is the Racer 5 IPA. It's a classic. It's a staple. Anyone can enjoy this beer. So I'm gonna have some of that while I'm cooking up some dogs. All right, sounds pretty good. All right. Smoking. As we can. Look at this. Still a little sticky from last night's chicken. Let's see if I can blow this out. Yeah. We're getting there. I think we'll be good. It's just hot dogs. Oh man, look at those hot dogs and sausages. Man, those are gonna be good. Some bacon, cheese, a little mustard, maybe a little mayo. Oh my. Oh my. That's what's for dinner. Ta-da. Almost want to do a time lapse, but that would be ridiculous. Oh man, those look tasty. Did another good job here. All right, time to eat. Man, does that look good? It's amazing. Oh yeah, just made some popcorn. Let's get this going here. Let me see if I can. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? Hold this here. I don't think that's gonna work. Maybe I'll go like this. This is working. Another good day in Northern California. The sun's going down. That must mean it's almost time for bed. Until next time.